What's up, my name is Troy, this is my bike check. I'm going to start off with the bright pink frame. I think it's a 2017 Kink Whip. Yeah, that's the name of it. I think it's 20.5. This is way too fucking small for me. I'm 6'4". This is not good. Used to be my friend's. Gave it to me for 30 bucks. And painted it pink.
It's just decreased in value since.
Painted it pink, because why not? And then we'll go up to the grip department. We got the, never mind. Got the Odyssey Brock Rayford grips in pink. It's the trend, you can already fucking tell. Then we got an Odyssey crossbar pad, because I'm a bitch. And
tell them about the custom paint job.
Right, splatter painted. Does not come like this.
Smiley face.
Yep. And,
for good luck?
Sure. It has not brought me good luck. And then we got the Shadow Voltus bars. The sticker's covered, but it says I Heart J, because I Heart J. And let's go down to the stem. We got the Profile Racing top load. Mark Morville signature. Don't think I pronounced his name right, but it's okay. Odyssey headset. It's pretty good. It's a headset. It's brand new, so it spins fine. We got the Odyssey R25, also known as the foreskin forks. Hell yeah. Pretty good. They're steep, which I like. Lifetime warranty on those. Pretty good. And I got Diamondback metal pegs. Dick's Sporting Goods special. 20 bucks for 2 of them. They've lasted me as long as they have, and I'm surprised. It's about a year. Since I got those. G-Sport roll cage rim in chrome, laced to a Mission. What the fuck? Mission Echo front hub. It's never given me a problem. I just snapped my other one. So this one has not given me any issues yet. It is a pretty shitty hub, but it was free.
It's Mission.
It's the last thing I got. So, and then spokes, I don't fucking know. We got the Tommy Dugan Odyssey grandstand pedals in metal. They are brand new, and I have not gotten a shinner on them yet.
You just jinxed yourself.
I am terrified of that because they're all metal. Yeah, and then we got the Odyssey Thunderbolt cranks in 175 mil length. Good, they're brand new. I just put them on. Lifetime warranty on those too, so that's good. Although they're really hard to snap, so hopefully I don't need to get new ones anytime soon. We got the Sunday Knox sprocket. It's pretty good. It's also brand new. I've never had to use it. I just figured it's the same price as any other sprocket, so why not get a guarded one? The bottom bracket is the Odyssey mid-bottom bracket. They came with the cranks because they're the right size, and my other one was not the right size. And that was a pain in the ass to fucking take off and put back on. Or put on. I didn't take it off because I just put them in. I took the other ones off.
Yeah.
The seat, Odyssey monogram seat, built to last. It's pretty good.
They can't fucking see it.
Hemorrhoid protection on these. Trust me, I would know. Seat post. I have no idea.
All the way fucking up.
It literally cannot go up. It is above the do not go above this line. Got the skate park at Tampa sticker, which I've never been there. Don't know why that's on there. And then the Sunday sticker.
A couple scratches right there.
Yeah, well, fuck you, that's fine. I think you scratched it.
I probably did.
Your bike. And then we'll go on to the chain. I have no idea what this chain is. The chain is a bunch of chains mixed into one because I've snapped it about 20 times. And then I got a Kink East Coaster East Free Coaster, I don't fucking know what it's called. And then the Lace 2 and Odyssey Hazard Light rim. It's pretty good. It's not giving me any problems. Very chrome. Color is nice.
Coronavirus death toll tops 2,000 worldwide. Fuck yeah!
Yeah,